Hi, I'm Ron Paulk. A new Sony professional 4K video camera for shooting video down in the shop and out in the field. What's up with the smart woodshop plans? And a look at how you can use SketchUp and layout together in your design build business. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, designer of the Paulk workbench, the total station, and this awesome stand-up desk. I picked up this bottom of the line professional camera. So this is the entry level camera from Sony in their professional series. And it has a big 1-inch sensor. It is going to be fantastic video. Okay, the smart woodshop. I have worked hard on that and I've talked about it before, and I really put my head down and got a lot done. And then I got busy with other things and let it, drop to the wayside. And I've been working on the total station plans and other projects that I'm doing. And I just decided, I looked at my list of things and projects that I'm doing, and I have them prioritized, but I did a little reorganization and I moved finishing the smart woodshop to the very top. I pushed the total station design down. I need to finish that design before I can build it in the shop. And I've been so excited to get down there and build it because I need it, but I'm going to do this first. So over here in layout, I have, I think, 27 pages. On this plan, I've added some jigs and things which I did not have on the awesome ruling toolbox. And on that note, these plans, smart, are not going to replace art. Those are different plans. They're going to coexist. So there's a video series on building art and there's a video series on building smart. And the plans and the video series are designed to go together so that the time you spend watching those videos will be paid back in spades when you get down in the shop. What about SketchUp, using SketchUp and layout? Well, there is a connection between the two. Now, this is for those that have the paid version, the pro version. This is what creates your flat plans. This is all I use in my business for designing houses and for remodels. This is how I communicate to my clients. And it's also how I communicate the design so that I can build it out in the field. And if I've got any contractors, subcontractors working on it, the plans that they follow. That comes from layout, not from SketchUp. But SketchUp provides all the detail. And how does it do that? It's called a portal. So here's what a portal is. If you take a peek on this page, and I'm just randomly picking page 17. If I click on this, you can see that blue box around it. Or if I click on this one, that blue box and that blue box. There are 3 portals on this page. I could have 50, whatever I can fit in, or 1. But each one of these portals points back to the same model, not to a different model. All 3 portals are pointing to the same model. They're just pointing to a different scene or orientation in the model. I took the time when I was designing the model to create scenes, and I'm able to quickly bring up those scenes, and then I can, at this point, add in layout all the notes and all of the dimensioning. I don't do those in SketchUp. That's documentation, and documentation is done here. So let me show you how this works. So if I take this tool garage, TGS, the small tool garage, and I click on it, you can see that I'm looking through this portal, through this window back to the model. So if I jump over to SketchUp, tool garage, small view, and there it is. That's what we're looking back and layout. We are looking through that window at this. It's not a separate design, and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to come in here and I am going to grab this center brace. I'm going to hit the M key for move, and I'm going to move this over in the green direction, and I'm going to move it over, let's go 3 feet, because I want to move it back exactly 3 feet. So I've moved it over there. Now, what I have to do is I have to hit save. If I don't hit save, layout is not going to know there was any changes. So I've made the changes in SketchUp, and I've saved them in SketchUp, And now I'm going to come into this portal here. I'm going to right click. I had to get into the portal, so I'm looking into SketchUp right now, and I'm going to update the model reference. Take a second because it's got to go and, grab the model and change it. And you can see that disappeared. But we know it's right on the side here. I just have to change the size of the window of the portal. And there it is. So the cool thing about this, if you take your time in SketchUp and you model properly, then all of the detailing you have to do is done. You just come in here, and if I want to zoom in and make a portal really big and zoom right in on a detail and make notes about it or change the orientation of it, I can do all of that without redrawing stuff. So all I'm doing in layout is putting it in a place and in an orientation that it's viewable when it's printed, and then making the notes and putting the dimensions and all of the things that we need to communicate in our documentation. If you like these mini tutorials on SketchUp and layout, be sure to give me a thumbs up and also make a comment in the video down below, so I'll see that, yeah, you like these and you want me to do more of them. And if you want a set of any of the plans that I've designed in SketchUp, you can click on the link right here in the video or in the description of the video down below. And in the description of the video down below, you'll also find a Ron's Amazon store link. And that is a store curated by me of just the tools and materials that I choose to use. And so if you want to know what pants I have, or carpenter's pants, or what saw I have, you'll find them there. My wife does the store. She keeps it updated and clean. She's got tabs. You can click on tabs and find tools and wearables and all that kind of stuff. If you do choose to use that link, you'll get the same price if you went straight there, but they share a little bit with us, which helps support the channel so I can make more of these videos. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.